How to use crypto.com. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Basner, and today I'll guide you on how you can use crypto.com. Now I'll just be showing you the basics. Once you open up your application, you'll get an interface like this, the crypto.com wallet. At the top you'll see the amount that is available on your wallet. If you want to deposit amount onto your account, simply tap on deposit option on the home page and you'll be able to deposit to your account once you add in the deposit details such as your bank account or the credit card and such. Now, if you want to buy a crypto, you want to simply tap on buy option there. And once you tap on buy, if you don't get the buy option on the home page, you want to simply tap on the logo at the bottom of your screen, the crypto logo, and then you'll get the buy option. Once you tap on buy, you'll be able to see the number of cryptocurrencies. You want to select a particular crypto that you wish to buy, simply tap on it. You'll be headed to the crypto detail page there. Once you tap on the crypto detail page there, you'll see three different options: buy, sell, and transfer. You can either, if you wish to buy, simply tap on buy and you'll be able to buy it. If you own a crypto and you want to sell it, simply tap on sell on the crypto detail page and you'll be able to sell it once you enter in the details. If you wish to transfer it to somewhere other wallet, simply tap on transfer and you'll be able to transfer it. So this is the way you can use the crypto.com. This is just a basic. There are lots of other opportunities and statistics that is available on it. I'll make a video on it later. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.